Make delicious espresso, Americano, and lungo, or dispense hot water with the GE Profile Automatic Espresso Machine Plus Milk Frother. With a single press of a button and in less than 90 seconds, this automatic espresso machine dispenses your desired brew. Customize drink preferences by volume and strength with a smart espresso machine that syncs with the Smart HQ app. The built-in steam frother foam technology creates a variety of textures, airy for cappuccino, denser for latte macchiato, and more. The wand rotates to the right at 90 degrees for control and convenience. Beans remain fresh in the built-in bean hopper that holds over 6 ounces. To ensure even extraction for a balanced tasting cup, beans are pre-infused with low pressure to gently bloom optimal flavor profiles and gradually increase to 20 bars of high-rated pump pressure. You can control your grind size with 5 levels ranging from coarsest to finest for ideal taste and aroma extraction. With a removable water reservoir, adjustable dispensing spout, and 15.8-ounce frothing pitcher, cleaning and using your espresso machine is easier than ever. So what does all this mean? With a sticker price of just under $700, the GE Profile Automatic Espresso Machine isn't cheap by any means. But it manages to deliver in key areas where the competition fails. It makes espresso that actually tastes amazing. It's fast, it's easy, it's extremely accessible for regular maintenance and cleaning, and it looks attractive sitting on a kitchen counter. I'm pretty impressed and very satisfied with what this machine has to offer. So yes, it's expensive, but man, is it worth it.